Are you an ACCA or FIA student? If yes, then most probably you would be a jobber and have less time to take physical or online live classes. TruCademy is introducing a unique way to better prepare yourself for ACCA and FIA exams. Once you enrolled yourself at TruCademy course, you will have the access to recorded lectures where you can take classes at your own pace. Plus, you have 24/7 tutor support to ask questions. You will also get weekly assignments and mock exam. Teaching methodology includes unlimited lifetime access to recorded lectures, followed by weekly assignments that you complete and submit at your own pace. You can always reach out to us via email, and extended support is always around the corner. At the end of each course, you will be required to sit a mock exam. Your assignments and mock exam will be graded and returned to you so you may improve on them. With this and much more, we welcome you at TruCademy, a learning experience second to none. For more details and enrollment process, visit our website, www.trucademy.org.